Okay, so hi everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So initially I was recording this video for myself, but I thought to share it with you all. So today I want to talk about interviews. Interviews are part of assessment we all face at some or the other point of time, be it college application, school application, internship application, and even during placements. So why not make it an effective way to crack an internship and to even look at it from the HR's point of view, from the recruiter's point of view, who is sitting on that side of the table, and analyze it from our point of view as an applicant. So I'll be discussing about a great framework I am learning this time in my semester. It is called a STAR framework. S stands for situation, task, action, and result. So I will break down each of the point into these 4 steps and how you can crack an internship, placement, any application through this framework if you follow it. And at the end of the video I'll also put a short clipping of how I have formed a questions from the recruiter's point of view using this framework, and how I'm gonna answer those questions based on my experience, past experience, following this framework based on my dream job and job description. Stay tuned. So before diving into the scenario, let's first understand the STAR framework. So as I said, STAR framework means S stands for situation, T stands for task, A stands for action, and R stands for result. So let's look at each one of them point by point. So पहले situation में what you need to define is what was the context of your work, कि मैंने जो काम किया उसका ये background था, मेरा ये रोल था, ये काम था, क्या क्या challenges फेस हुए, and this was the overall scenario and the situation in which I worked or which I want to work. Whatever your answer is depends on that. Then in the second point comes the task. टास्क में you need to mention your specific roles and responsibilities कि मेरा ये काम था, स्पेसिफिकली मेरे को ये काम करना था या ये चीज़ अचीव करनी थी. थर्ड पॉइंट इज एक्शन. एक्शन शुड बी योर डिटेल्ड और लॉन्गर पॉइंट कंपैरेटिवली. उसमें यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल कि उस टास्क को, उस रोल को करने के लिए मैंने क्या क्या स्टेप्स लिए, स्पेसिफिक स्टेप्स क्या क्या लिए. दैट शुड बी अचीवेबल एंड मेजरेबल. उसमें यू नीड टू मेंशन कि मैंने ये काम किया, क्या काम किया स्पेसिफिकली, कैसे किया, क्या मेथड्स यूज़ किए, क्या मेथडोलॉजी थी, कितना अचीव किया, क्या क्या स्टेप्स लिए, मतलब पूरा डिटेल में मेंशन करना है. देन कम्स योर फोर्थ पॉइंट, दैट इज़ रिजल्ट. कि जो भी मैंने काम किया उसका आउटकम क्या निकला, उसका रिजल्ट क्या था, उसका क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुई, मैंने अपने मैनेजर्स को एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्या दिया, क्या प्रोवाइड किया, उससे क्या मैनेजर प्रॉब्लम क्या सॉल्व हुई, उसमें अकम्पलिशमेंट्स क्या थे, अचीवमेंट्स क्या थे, मेरा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इंडिविजुअली क्या था, व्हाट शुड बी माई इम्प्रूवमेंट्स, एरियाज ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स क्या हो सकते हैं, उस एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने लर्न क्या किया, एंड हाउ डज दिस ओवरऑल मेक्स मी एन आइडियल कैंडिडेट टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस पोजिशन, फॉर दिस रोल. सो दिस इज़ द फ्रेमवर्क दैट वील बी यूजिंग, जिससे के बेस पे यू कैन ड्राफ्ट स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस. सो नाउ एज एन एग्जांपल आई एम अटैचिंग अ शॉर्ट क्लिपिंग ऑफ सम स्टार फ्रेमवर्क क्वेश्चंस दैट आई हैव फॉर्म्ड and the answers to those questions. So the job role that I have decided for myself is of analyst. It is for fresher. It requires 0 to 2 years of experience, and it is in the domain of wealth management, and it is a client facing role. It mentions client solutions. So I do have some prior experience, internship experience in this regard. So I will be answering my questions based on that, and the questions and the answers both are framed by me. So this role in wealth management that you are applying to is client facing. So can you tell me a situation when you have worked with multiple clients and multiple stakeholders with strict deadlines? How did you manage that? Yeah, sure ma'am. So during my internship at EY, I worked on an internal audit project with one of our major client in the healthcare industry. So the audit required collaboration with different departments like finance, HR, IT, and it was to be done with a strict deadline of 1 month. So as an intern, what I did was I gathered all the necessary information, all the data that was required in the process of audit, and then I did data analysis and finally submitted the report to our senior managers. So what I did as a process was I initially developed a detailed project plan. In the project plan, I mentioned all the deliverables, all the deadlines and the responsibilities. Then I scheduled regular meetings with the department heads to monitor the progress and to collect the data. Now I used data analysis to do the process of audit and to analyze financial and operational data and to get some findings. The inconsistencies, risks, and potential frauds. And then we submitted our report to our senior managers. Now, as an outcome, the project was completed on time. It was a 1 month strict deadline, and our senior managers were very happy. The client was also very happy with our submissions, with the findings and the results and the outcomes that we came with. So I believe that this is the competency of being able to work with different clients, different departments, collaborate with them, manage the team, work on strict deadlines, time management, and even project planning makes me an ideal candidate to apply to this role of client solutions as an analyst. That's an impressive answer. Now let's check your technical and financial knowledge. So have you previously worked with data ever? Have you ever used data analytics tools to analyze financial data? With respect to wealth management, I'll be precise, to analyze and to know some insights about the data? Yeah, so as I mentioned before, in my last organization, I worked on data analytics, but it was in EY, it was related to audit, internal audit. But with respect to financial aspects, I worked in Deloitte on a forensic investigation project. So what the objective of the project was to identify any frauds in the organization, in a client's organization, and to identify the risk and financial leakages. So what I did was I reviewed and analyzed the large data sets of financial transactions that the data they shared us with, and there were a lot of financial statements, records, and ledgers and statements and all, and we analyzed them through advanced Excel. So we use functions like Tableau, like a pivot table, conditional formatting, VLOOKUP functions, and we also use data visualization tools to create reports and to submit our findings to our senior manager. So as a result, our senior management was very happy with our findings because we found millions of rupees of fraud in the organization, and there were a lot of leakages. We made recommendations and suggestions in our report with consultation with our senior managers, and this way I personally utilized and learned a lot of tools and techniques for data analysis. Okay, it was great to connect with you. I'll get back to you soon. Thank you for the interview.